Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful cleaning companion with 2,200 pascals suction and a runtime of up to 120 minutes. This upgraded model boasts 6 versatile cleaning modes, including zigzag, random, spot, edge, scheduled time, and manual control, allowing you to tailor your cleaning experience to your specific needs. With smart navigation and safety features, the M210 Pro efficiently covers more ground with its dual side brushes while avoiding obstacles and preventing falls, thanks to its built-in infrared sensor. You can easily schedule and monitor your cleaning tasks through the Lefant App, which offers seamless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Standing at just 2.99 inches tall, this slim and quiet robotic vacuum effortlessly glides under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean without disturbing your household. When the cleaning session ends or the battery runs low, the M210 Pro automatically returns to its charging base, ready for the next round. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Lefant M210 Pro, designed to make your cleaning routine a breeze.